Okay guys, it was kind of too windy, so I'm just gonna go get my surfboard and we'll be right back. Cause I couldn't go out on skateboard because it was so windy. So yeah, I'm gonna get my I'm gonna get my surfboard. I had to go get my surfboard. I just waxed it up. Let's go inside though. Let me put my stuff in. The wave's kind of looking good today. And we already got some surfers over there. I seen them like looking at me, so maybe make some friends, I guess. Let's see. Let me see if I could. The wave's kind of looking good. Whoa, that one was big. Maybe too windy for the waves, I'm guessing. But let's do it. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Bro, I had one. It's gonna take a lot of time, man, to learn it. There's another surfer I just met over there, but it's gonna take a long time to learn this here. Oh. I'm gonna try and get back. Mother Nature. I'm gonna get to that wave right there. Not this one. Maybe I need to go back a little more. And watch when I get off my board. A freaking wave gonna come, like this one right here. Oh man. I was on the road. Oh shit, another one. The wind's so freaking strong, the wind. Oh my eyes. Every time I get on my board, now watch this. Big waves every time I get off the board. Y'all basically Holy shit. That was a big wave. Oh shit. I had it. Yo, I had it. Damn. What's up, guys? Just got back. Surfing. It was alright. It was fun and everything. I'm hungry like a mug though, so waiting on my mom. I said my mom, my girlfriend, to cook food. I'm gonna help her cook, pretty much. So we're gonna be in the vlog today. More stuff coming, more surfing coming. You know, I do want to learn this and stuff. So pretty much, just want to thank you guys for watching. You know, peace out.